Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
I'm going to pull this cover off to access the dome light. I'm going to use a straight blade screwdriver. There's a little slot right here. We're going to pull that cover off just like that to get the dome light bulb out. You can just grab the bulb and pull it out just like that. You can push on the tab on the side or grab the bulb. That's the bulb right there. All right, so I'm gonna get this bulb in. I'm just gonna take my flat blade tool and spread this a little bit as I push the bulb in. Make sure it's in. And there we go, it's good. Now I can put the cover on. There's two tabs on the back. They're gonna slide in back here and then lock in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.